Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about or show you the procedure to cancel Paramount subscription on Firestick. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, open up your device and log in. When you open up your device, click on user settings or the gear icon, and when you click on the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings. Here, you want to go ahead and click on account and profile settings. When you go to account and profile settings, next thing you want to do is select Amazon Prime. When you actually go ahead and select that, click on Prime Video, and next thing you want to do is click on manage your subscriptions. As soon as you click on manage your subscription, now go ahead and log into your amazon.com, and here click on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. As you do that, from that same page, you want to go to membership and subscription. When you actually go to membership and subscription, the next thing you could see is all of the details. Then you could go ahead and cancel your Paramount subscription on Firestick. So this way you'll be able to do it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.